Hi, I'm Tom. I'm here to guide you through the audio online training videos. In this particular video, we'll be looking at the real-world setup of an R2 used in a medium to large company. So we have 8 zones powered by two 100-volt amplifiers. Each zone has a W3020 for remote volume and input selection. The DW5066, a multi-zone control with inputs, has been added to a selection of zones. We have an APM 101 for the security desk, one APM 108 for the reception desk, and the others for the technical department for paging and playing program messages, or fire drills and technical issue reports. It would be easy to replace these two paging tables with one APM 116. We have two XMP, both with 4 modules, a mix of MMP for background music in the public areas and IMP modules for the staff zones. To control this system, the R2 and the XMP44 are connected to the company's Wi-Fi, so it can be linked to the audac touch application, where we are able to use timed events to mute the zones out of the working hours. This is a very common, simple example, but we can expand this system in a lot of ways. We could add more R2 units to expand the system. The meeting rooms could be fitted with ARU relay units to control the light and projectors. Those could be triggered by touch or via the R2 itself. With the R2, small changes make a big impact.